Hi, this is Jamie with Coastal Business Supplies. Today we are going to talk about our new PolySteel tumbler, right after this. First, we're going to start off by preheating our jig. We're going to preheat to 320 degrees using our 17-ounce latte element and our L-bar. When the tumbler arrives to you, you will notice that you have received a box as well as the tumbler inside the box. We're going to disassemble the tumbler. You will receive your lid, your bottom piece, the inner shell, instructions for assembly, and then the tumbler that we will press to. When your jig has reached 320 degrees, the next step is to tape your transfer to your tumbler and start the transferring process. Make sure that you use your thermal gloves to take the jig out, as it will be very hot. When pressing, we're going to press at 320 degrees for 180 seconds at a light to medium pressure. When the timer sounds, you will remove from the press and then remove the jig from the tumbler. And you have your transfer. You can assemble while hot, however, it is best to assemble when cool. Once cooled, you're ready to assemble. And then put the bottom on. And then you're ready for your lid. And there you go. And that's it. Thank you for watching our video tutorial, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.